Hello and welcome to the 5th Prusa Printers developer log. We're very excited about this update. The community and the model library on Prusa Printers is growing at a fantastic pace. So now is the best time to introduce two new reward systems. The first one is quite unique. You collect meters of virtual Prusament. Once you have enough of them, you can exchange them for actual physical rewards, like free Prusament spools. The second one is a brand new badge and level system. Let's take a look at them. Every user gets an empty virtual spool of Prusament, which is displayed in the top right corner next to your avatar. You can fill the spool with various activities. You can start with one-time rewards, like completing your profile, which gets you 20 Prusa meters. Getting more points, though, requires a bit more effort. For example, you'll earn 10 meters for every make you upload, with a limit of 10 per month. Makes are extremely useful for other users. It's the ultimate proof that the model is printable, you can see how it looks when printed, and the written feedback often contains valuable info. That's why we want to award users who take the time to upload them. But of course, who we want to award the most are the designers. We truly appreciate all the makers and designers who upload their projects to Prusa Printers. There's a massive number of awesome models available for download, which we already promote in our contests and featured print selection. And we're taking it a step further with physical rewards. When you upload a new model, you get a few meters right away, and the system starts tracking its performance, the downloads and likes, over a 30-day period. There are up to 4 milestones you can hit during this period, and for each milestone you'll get an increasingly higher number of Prusa meters. Once the 30-day period ends, the internal counters are reset, but your Prusa meters remain in your account. We decided to award Prusa meters retrospectively for the previous 30-day period, so you might have something on your virtual spool already. You'll see the amount of Prusa meters you gained since your last visit underneath your total count. We might fine-tune the exact numbers as time goes on. Once you collect enough Prusa meters, you can exchange it for a reward from our list. Prusament PLA, PETG, ASA, shirts, hoodies, and more. You will receive a voucher for our eShop that will give you a 100% discount on the selected item. We're also launching a new system of user levels and badges. This is completely separate from collecting Prusa meters. We were looking for a fun way to show how far you've come as a maker and a creator. Something you could be proud of, and that would make you instantly recognizable as an active member of our community. No matter whether you love to design or print awesome models. You can collect badges for various activities, such as uploading makes, your models being downloaded a lot, or being awarded in one of our designer competitions. You can click on a badge to learn more about it, and to see how many other users achieved it. Some badges have just one level, while others can be progressed. Whenever you receive a new badge, you'll get an email notification. Of course, you can easily disable them. And you can pick 3 badges you're most proud of to be displayed here on the left. The number of badges you collected is directly reflected in your user level, which is displayed as a small number under your avatar. We evaluated the badges and the user level retrospectively, so all your past makes and downloads are counted. We are even preparing printable models so you can display your badges in real life. We're really excited to hear your feedback. Do you like these new features? Please let us know in the comments and on social media. Until next time, and happy printing!